Hi guys, welcome back to Artificial and Facts channel. Today's topic is fit test. The predicted frequencies are equal and not equal, and how to do it with SPSS. The first step, we will find about what is chi-square test. And the second step, we will find out about what is fit test. And the third step, we will find out about the characteristic of chi-square. And the last step, we will find out what the use of chi-square and chi-square calculation methods in the fit test with SPSS. The first steps, what is chi-square? Chi-square is statistical test used to examine the difference between categorical variable from a random sample in order to judge goodness of fit between expected and observed results. For the example, the data used in calculating a chi-square statistic must be random, raw, drawn from independent variables, and drawn from a large enough sample. For example, the results of tossing a fair coin meet this criteria. Chi-square tests are often used in hypothesis testing. Second step, what is fit test? The fit test aims to determine whether a data distribution from the sample follows a certain theoretical distribution or not. Step 3, the characteristic of chi-square. The characteristic of chi-square are as follows. First one, the value of chi-square is always positive because it is the result of squaring. The second, there are several groups in chi-square distribution, namely chi-square distribution with decay equals 1, 2, and 3, and so on. The third one, the data are discrete or nominal. And to the last step, the use of chi-square. In general, the chi-square test is used to the interdependence of one or more variables with other variables. The second, the correspondence between the observed frequency of a particular variable and frequency obtained based on the expected value. The other use of chi-square test are to find out 1. Is a group homogeneous or not? 2. Tests are normality of the data by looking at the distribution of data. 2. Tests are normality of the data by looking at the distribution of data. 3. Used to analyze data in the form of frequency. 4. Used to determine the size of the correlation of the variables analyzed. And the last one, it is suitable for categorical data, discrete data, or nominal data. Chi-square calculation methods in the fit test with SPSS. The case problem. So far, the marketing manager of Lifebuoy soap assumes that consumers like the three colors of soap and that are produced, namely red, green, and yellow. To find out whether the manager's opinion is correct, 12 respondents were asked which color of bath soap they liked the most.